Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sharda Devi Maths Classes. Today we are solving from question number 6 in exercise 1A of rational numbers. So let us start. So the sixth question is write the additive inverse or negative of. In that first one minus 3 by 8. So its additive inverse is minus of minus 3 by 8. That is minus into minus is plus through 3 by 8. Next one is 4 by minus 9. So minus of minus 4 by 9. So that is equal to 4 by 9. Minus into minus is plus. Next one is minus 7 by 3. So additive inverse is minus of minus 7 by 5. So that is 7 by 5. Next is minus of minus 4 by 13. Minus 13. So minus and minus cancels. Answer is minus 4 by 13. Next is 0 only. No negative or positive signs for 0. Only 0. Sixth one is minus 2. So minus of minus 2. That is 2. Next is 1. So minus of 1 minus 1. Next eighth one is minus of minus 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3. Next ninth one is minus of minus 3 by 1. So that is 3. Now the seventh question is fill in the blanks. First one is additive inverse of minus 5 by minus 12. That is minus 5 by minus 12 means minus and minus cancel. So 5 by 12. So its additive inverse is minus 5 by 12. Next one is minus 5 by minus 12 plus its additive inverse is equal to dash. Whatever be the rational number, that plus its additive inverse is clearly 0. Next one, third one is if a by b is the additive inverse of minus c by d, then minus c by d is the additive inverse of dash. For example, we take 2 by 3. Its additive inverse is minus 2 by 3. What is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3? That is minus of minus 2 by 3. That is 2 by 3. So, additive inverse of 2 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. Additive inverse of minus 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. So, reverse. So, here also if a by b is the additive inverse of minus c by d, then minus c by d is the additive inverse of a by b. Next one, and so a by b plus minus c by d, that is a by b plus its additive inverse, that is equal to additive inverse plus a by b, that is clearly 0. Now the eighth question is state true or false. In that first one is 7 by 9 is equal to 7 plus 5 by 9 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 by 9 plus 5 is 14. So we can cancel with the 2. So 6 and 7. So this is equal to 6 by 7. So clearly 7 by 9 is not equal to 6 by 7. So this is false. Next second one is 7 by 9 is equal to 7 minus 5 by 9 minus 5. And that is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. With the 2 we can cancel. So 1 by 2. So clearly 7 by 9 is not equal to 1 by 2. Yeah. So this is also false. Next third question is 7 by 9 is equal to 7 into 5 by 9 into 5. Here let us take m as a non-zero integer and p by q is a rational number. Then p by q can be written as p by q, p into m by q into m. This also will be a rational number. Here, if m and m can be cancelled, then this is p by q, the original rational number. So, we can apply that here. So, 5 and 5 cancels. This is equal to 7 by 9. So, left side is equal to right side, 7 by 9. So, this is true. Next, fourth one is 7 by 9 is equal to 7 by 5 by 9 by 5. So, here let us take this same rational number p by q. This can be written as p by m by q by m. That is equal to p by m into division is the inverse of multiplication. So, m by q can be written. So, m and m cancels. That is equal to p by q, the original rational number. So, we can apply this here in the fourth question. So, this is equal to 7 by 5 into 5 by 9. 5 and 5 can be cancelled. So, this is equal to 7 by 9. So LHS and RHS are equal, 7 by 9. So this statement is true. Next, fifth question is minus 5 by minus 12 is a negative rational number. Here we know this minus and minus can be cancelled. So what is remaining? 5 by 12. This is a positive rational number. So this statement is false. Next one is sixth. That is minus 13 by 25 is smaller than minus 25 by 13. Here we can't compare this rational numbers minus 13 by 25 and minus 25 by 13 because their denominators are different. So in order to make the denominator same, we can take the LCM. As there is no common factors, LCM is nothing but their product 25 into 13. Now let us write the first rational number here minus 13 by 25 and second rational number here minus 25 by 13. Here the denominator is only 25. Here we can make it as the LCM. So 25 into 13. So we have to multiply the numerator also with 13. Otherwise the value of the rational number will change. Here also this is only 13. To make it as 25 into 13 we have to multiply here 25. At the same time we have to multiply the numerator also with 25. Now the denominators are 25 into 13 and 13 into 25. They are same. So we need only to compare the numerators. What is then minus 13 into 13? 169 minus. Here minus 25 into 25 is 625. Now if you take 169 and 625, which is greater? Clearly 625 is greater, or 169 is smaller than 625. But if it is like this, minus and minus, let us take this number line. Here this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here this left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. We know this minus 1 is clearly smaller than 1. Minus 2 is less than minus 1. Minus 3 is less than 1. Like that. So clearly minus 169 is greater than minus 625. On the left side of the number line, numbers will become less, and the other side, right side, numbers will become larger. So clearly, automatically this statement will become like this, greater. So this statement is clearly false. Now comes subtraction of rational numbers, their properties. First one is closure property. That if you take one rational number, say 1 by 2, and another rational number, say 2 by 3, their difference, that is subtraction we are dealing with. So their difference, what is that? LCM is 6, 6 by 2 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 6 by 3 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So this is equal to minus 1 by 6. This is also a rational number. Again, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 we are taking. So that is equal to LCM 6. 6 by 3 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 6 by 2 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So this is equal to 1 by 6. This is also a rational number. But here 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 is minus 1 by 6. But 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is not minus 1 by 6. It is only 1 by 6. That you have to remember. So again, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b minus c by d, and again if you take c by d and a by b like this, then that difference, these are all rational numbers. According to closure property, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b minus c by d is also a rational number, and so is c by d minus a by b. Now the second property is commutativity. That is, if you take a by b and c by d, then a by b minus c by d, these are rational numbers. A by b minus c by d you take, then c by d minus a by b also you take. Then what is their difference? That is this sum and this sum. Is that equal? No, we have earlier discussed in the previous page. This is not equal. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 is not equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, like that. So this is not equal. So subtraction of rational numbers is not commutative. Now the third property is associativity. Here if you take three rational numbers, say a by b, c by d and e by f, then a by b minus c by d minus e by f you take. Then again you take a by b minus c by d, then that minus e by f. This sum and this sum result will not be equal. If you take small examples, you can verify that. Hence, subtraction of rational numbers is not associative. Now the fourth property is existence of identity. If we take one rational number, say a by b, then a by b minus 0, that is clearly a by b. But if you take 0 minus a by b, answer will be minus a by b, which is not equal to a by b minus 0. So we can say that a by b minus 0, which is equal to a by b. Then what is this 0 minus a by b? That is only minus a by b, which is not equal to a by b. So we can write like this, not equal. So we will say that subtraction has no identity. Here in this case, a by b minus 0 is a by b. So we will say that subtraction has only right identity. But here left identity is not okay. Now the fifth property is existence of inverse. Here inverse for subtraction of rational numbers does not exist. Now we will start exercise 1b. In that first question is evaluate. So first sub question is 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. Here the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So 15 by 3 is 5 into 2 is 10 minus 15 by 5 is 3. 3 into 4 is 12. So the answer is minus 2 by 15. Now the second question is minus 4 by 9 minus 2 by minus 3. Here we can put bracket like this. Then minus 4 by 9 minus 2 by 3 in standard form. That is equal to minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3. Now the LCM is 9. So 9 by 9 is 1. 1 into minus 4 plus 9 by 3 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. So the answer is 2 by 9. Now the third question is minus 1 minus 4 by 9. Here actually this minus 1 means minus 1 by 1, and we can take LCM of 9 and 1, like that we can do. But in order to do it faster, we can write like this. Take the LCM as 9, then 9 into minus 1 is minus 9, then just write minus 4. This is equal to minus 13 by 9. That is minus 1 and 4 by 9. Now the fourth question is minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by minus 14. Here we can put this in bracket. So this is equal to minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by 14 in standard form. That is equal to minus 2 by 7 plus 3 by 14. Now the LCM is 14. So 14 by 7 is 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 14 by 14 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. So this is equal to minus 1 by 14. Now the fifth question is minus 5 by 18 minus 2 by 9. Now we can put this in bracket. So this is equal to minus 5 by 18 plus 2 by 9. Here the LCM is 18. So minus 5 plus 18 by 9 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So the answer is minus 1 by 18. Now the sixth question is 5 by 21 minus 13 by 42. Here we can put bracket like this. Then this is 5 by 21 plus 13 by 42. Now we can take the LCM of 21 and 42. 21, 42 with the 3, 7 and 14 with the 7, 1 and 2. So the LCM is 3 into 7 into 2. That is 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 7 is 42. So here we can take the LCM as 42. 42 by 21 is 2, 2 into 5 is 10, plus 42 by 42 is 1, 1 into 13 is 13. So this is equal to 23 by 42. Now the second question is subtract. In that first sub question is 5 by 8 from minus 3 by 8. So we have to write this at first. That is minus 3 by 8. Then subtract this from minus 3 by 8. So subtract minus 5 by 8 from minus 3 by 8. So here LCM is 8. So just write minus 3 minus 5 in the numerator. So this is minus 8 by 8. So the answer is minus 1. Now the second question is subtract minus 8 by 11 from 4 by 11. So we have to write this at first. So 4 by 11 minus 8 by 11. So this is equal to 4 by 11 plus 8 by 11. So here the LCM is 11, that is common denominator. Just add 4 plus 8 like that, 4 and 8. So this is equal to 12 by 11. That is 1 and 1 by 11 is the answer. Now the third question is subtract 4 by 9 from minus 5 by 9. So we have to write minus 5 by 9 at first. So 5 by 9 minus 4 by 9. That is equal to 9 is common denominator. So minus 5 minus 4. So this is equal to minus 9 by 9, which is equal to minus 1. Now the fourth one is subtract 1 by 4 from minus 3 by 8. So minus 3 by 8 we have to write at first, that minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 8 is the common denominator. So 8 by 8 is 1, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 minus 8 by 4 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So this is equal to minus 5 by 8. Now the fifth question is subtract minus 5 by 8 from minus 13 by 16. So we have to write this at first. So minus 13 by 16 minus 5 by 8 in brackets. So this is equal to minus 13 by 16, minus into minus is plus 5 by 8. Here the LCM is 16. So 16 by 16 is 1, 1 into minus 13 is minus 13 plus 16 by 8 is 2, 2 into 5 is 10. So the answer is minus 3 by 16. Now the sixth question is subtract minus 9 by 22 from 5 by 33. Here we have to write 5 by 33 at first, that minus 9 by 22. Now this is equal to 5 by 33 plus 9 by 22. Now we can take the LCM of 33 and 22. 33, 22 with 11, 3 and 2. So the LCM is 11 into 3 into 2. That is 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 11 is 66. Now we can write the common denominator as 66 in the next page. So the common denominator is 66. 66 by 33 is 2. 2 into 5 is 10. That plus 66 by 22 is 3. 3 into 9 is 27. So this is equal to 37 by 66. That is the answer. Now you please see the text, and in the third question, the sum of two rational numbers is 9 by 20. If one of them is 2 by 5, find the other. Now we can write statement as sum of two rational numbers is given as 9 by 20 in the question. One of the numbers is given as 2 by 5. Then the other rational number we have to find out, question mark. Then we can form one equation as one of the rational numbers is given as 2 by 5, that plus the other rational number. Other rational number, that is equal to the sum of the two rational numbers, 9 by 20. Then the other rational number, that we have to keep it on left side. Then we can take the other number 2 by 5 to the other side of the equal sign. Then its sign will change. It is now added. So here at first we have to write 9 by 20. What is in the right side, that we have to write at first. Then we have to transport this 2 by 5 to the other side of the equal sign. So minus 2 by 5. Now let us take the LCM 20 and 5. 20 by 20 is 1. 1 into 9 is 9 minus 20 by 5 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So this is equal to 1 by 20. So we can say that this 2 by 5 plus the other rational number 1 by 20 is equal to 9 by 20. Now the fourth question is, sum of two rational numbers is minus 2 by 3. If one of them is minus 8 by 15, find the other. Now we can write the statement as sum of two rational numbers is equal to minus 2 by 3. One of the numbers is equal to minus 8 by 15. Then the other number is equal to question mark. What is that number? Then we can form one equation. First number is minus 8 by 15, that plus the other number, that is equal to sum of the numbers, that is minus 2 by 3. Then we can keep the other number to one side, left side. That is equal to what is on the right side. We have to write at first minus 2 by 3. Then this minus 8 by 15 will go to the other side of the equal sign. So that will get added there, my plus 8 by 15. So then LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So that is equal to 15 is the common denominator. 15 by 3 is 5. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 15 by 15 is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. Now this is equal to minus 2 by 15. Now the next question is fifth one. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 6. If one of them is minus 8 by 5, find the other. Now we can write the statement as sum of two rational numbers is equal to minus 6. One of the numbers is equal to minus 8 by 5. The other number is equal to question mark. That is, we have to find out. Now we can form the equation. One of the numbers is minus 8 by 5 plus the other number, that is equal to sum of the rational numbers minus 6. Now we can keep the other number on left side. Then what is on right side? Minus 6. That write at first. Then this minus 8 by 5 will go to the other side of the equal sign. So that will get added there. This is minus sign, so it is added there. So plus 8 by 5. Now here the LCM is 5. Then we can directly multiply minus 6 and 5. That is minus 30. Plus 5 by 5 is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. So this is equal to minus 22 by 5. And that is equal to minus 4 and 2 by 5. That is the answer. Today I would like to say one important quote, which is, you will never face a problem that is not charged with opportunity. So make use of the obstacles that you face in life. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please thumbs up. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.